have the greatest accessories ever. So let's see, you're going to put these center cap wheel trim. I think I'm going to put these ones on. These are going to go on the gallant. Let's stick them right over that center cap there. I can always take them off. They're probably just a heat gun. But I think they'll look really cool for Radwood. So 1989 Rally Accessories, Miami, Florida, Kokomo Wheel trim. All the instructions, I think I can handle it. That should look pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to open the package and instantly ruin the value, and it's pretty dried out. It opens up real easily. Let's see here. Alright, so like I said, they're just peel and stick. Ooh, they're on this paper. Let's see if I can get them out of here without... Yep. They've been in here a long, long time. Get them all off of here. I think I got them. Alright, there we go. So I'll peel one off. I don't think they're too sticky still, but hopefully they are. Put that in here. Oh my gosh, perfect fit. That's pretty awesome, actually. Yeah, hopefully those stay for the drive down there. I hope. They don't seem super sticky, so hopefully they'll stay on there. That's pretty cool. That's the detail. So that's how you install these Kokomo wheel trim. And I think the other ones, what we're going to do, Brad and I decided I think we'll give these ones away. So, you know, maybe if you come up to us at Radwood and find Brad or I, first person to do it, we'll give these away and we'll have some Auto Off Topic stickers. But that looks pretty cool. I like it. Should say pretty rad.